Hey everyone, welcome back to New Cars Technology. Today, we're talking about a big moment in BMW's lineup, the end of the BMW X4 as we know it, and the beginning of something completely new. After 2 generations, the X4 is officially reaching the end of the road. Production of the final internal combustion versions will stop at the end of this year. But don't worry, BMW already has the replacement lined up, and it's electric. Let's dive into the brand new BMW iX4, the model that will take over the premium compact crossover coupe segment for BMW. The BMW X4 has had a solid run across 2 generations. It stayed competitive, stylish, and popular. But with BMW's electric transformation accelerating, the X4 simply doesn't fit the long-term plan anymore. So instead of refreshing the X4 once again, BMW is moving forward with a fully electric successor, the iX4. This new model will take the X4's position in the lineup, giving buyers the same sporty SUV coupe silhouette, now powered only by electricity. The upcoming BMW iX4 will be the sportier-looking sibling of the new BMW iX3. Both models will share most of their design elements, but the iX4 gets the coupe-like roofline and more dynamic proportions. From the side, the iX4 will feature an arched roofline that flows downward into a sleeker tailgate. It also gets unique rear quarter panels and redesigned rear windows to emphasize that coupe styling. The rest of the car, however, stays very close to the new iX3. That includes the slim double-kidney grille B, the new generation headlights, the bumper design, the hood and front fenders, the side mirrors, and very likely the wheel options, though BMW may give the iX4 a few exclusive alloy designs more. So overall, think iX3, but sportier. Inside, the iX4 is basically a carbon copy of the new iX3. If you want to know what the iX4 interior looks like, just look at the iX3. This includes a massive widescreen display extending across the dashboard bodywork, a 4-spoke steering wheel 4-spoke, a large central infotainment screen, and BMW's latest minimalist EV interior layout. BMW might offer special colors or trim exclusively for the iX4, but overall, the cabin will feel identical. The only real downside? Because of the coupe roofline, the iX4 will have less rear headroom and a smaller cargo area compared to the iX3. That's the price you pay for the sleek design. The BMW iX4 50 xDrive will share its powertrain with the iX3 50 xDrive. So expect 463 horsepower, 476 pounds-feet of torque, 645 Newton-10, 0 to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour in 4.7 seconds. Fast charging from 10% to 80% in just 21 minutes, and a driving range of around 400 miles, 644 kilometers on the EPA cycle. That makes the iX4 one of the most capable electric coupe SUVs in its class. The BMW iX4 is expected to go on sale in the United States as a 2027 model, and if you want a sneak peek at how it will look, check out the renderings created by Kalesa. According to early reports, the production version will look almost identical to these digital illustrations. BMW seems to be keeping things clean, modern, and athletic without pushing the design into anything too extreme. So, the beloved X4 is leaving, but the iX4 is stepping in with electric power, sharper design, and some impressive numbers. What do you think? Is BMW making the right move by replacing the X4 with a fully electric coupe SUV? Would you pick the iX4 over the iX3 or even the outgoing X4? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car news and electric vehicle updates here on New Cars Technology.